Hi guys, today I'm doing the 5 best Chanel bags to buy pre-loved. Now there's so many Chanel bags. There's the Chanel boy bag, there's the Chanel jumbo, but let's be real, there's no point in buying a new Chanel bag if you're not excited about it. And while you can get incredible deals right now on the Chanel jumbo and the Chanel boy bag because they're not quote-unquote popular, you want to be excited when you buy a Chanel bag. You want it to be trending in fashion, and not to say that we need trendy bags, but if you're not excited about a Chanel jumbo bag just because it's a really good deal to buy pre-loved, you shouldn't buy it because you want to enjoy your bag. That is my first point. So today I'm going to be sharing with you bags you actually want, some of the trendiest bags, and let's start with bag number 1. So not only am I going to share with you the best bags to buy right now, but they're also the best bags that are trending on the runway for 2026. And we have to start off, I'll be putting photos because I know a lot of people are hating on this bag, and it's okay to be a hater. You know, sometimes we gotta hate on certain things, but let's look at the photos. The Chanel Preppy Coco bag. It's definitely a bag that a lot of us are like, what? But you have to look at Matthew Blazy. He's the new creative director of Chanel, and when I went to Chanel in Paris recently, you know, they're very excited to talk about Matthew. He is changing up Chanel. He is getting rid of a lot of quilting. He wants a lot of undescript bags, and the more you look at this bag, I mean, look at it with this blue blazer. This is in the mini size. It comes in 3 different versions. So it's the classic flap style, right? Where it's the mini, there's the small, and then they also have the vanity style of this Coco Preppy or Preppy Coco bag. And then they also have the bowling bag style. You can find so many vintage styles of this, and I'm gonna link to them. They're gonna be down in the description box. It's growing on me, and Matthew Blazy really wants to bring back less logos, less big Chanel spelt out. He wants less of the chain detailing, these little leather straps. There's also certain keywords you should look for when you are searching for pre-loved bags if you want a bag like this. Now I've done the homework for you. Certain keywords you want to search for if you want a bag like the Chanel Preppy Coco is you want to look for flat leather straps without the interwoven metal, and you want to look for series 0 through series 6. So for example, right now if you're looking at the Chanel website, we've got series P, like the pre-spring, we've got the summer season of 2026, you know, there's the cruise collection. So you want to go back to vintage Chanel bags from the 70s, from the 80s, and you want to look series 0 through series 6, flat leather straps, and then smooth leather, no quilting. Those are some of the keywords. The Coco Cambon collection is a little bit of a juxtaposition to this because while it does have like the logoing, the CCs on it, if you get the So Black versions where the CCs are in all black, it really emulates the style. And yeah, there's a lot of really cute ones that I'm going to put up in the screen here. Now bag number 2, I have an unboxing for you guys, a Chanel unboxing, and I can suggest a lot of different places to buy pre-loved. Now one of the places, first of all, this came from Japan. It came from Osaka, Japan, and let me tell you about Japan handbags. One of the reasons why buying pre-loved luxury handbags from Japan is so good for us as the consumer is because they have one of, if not the strictest laws on counterfeit. I want to read this so you can see how strict they are compared to the USA, compared to Canada, compared to so many other countries, even France. So Japan enforces strict anti-counterfeit laws under the Trademark Act and Unfair Competition Prevention Act, making it illegal to import, produce, or sell counterfeit goods. Penalties include up to 10 years in prison. They don't take this lightly. Customs and Border Services strictly confiscate counterfeit items at the border. With that said, this came from Osaka, Japan. I really would love to visit Japan one day. If you guys watch my street style series, I would love to do street style in Japan. And bag number 2, which I would say are some of the best bags to buy pre-loved right now, are Chanel vintage backpacks. Let me put this down so I can show you this. This bag over here from Japan, this is a 40-year-old vintage Chanel backpack. So Chanel produced these gorgeous little vintage backpacks in the late 80s and early 1990s, and I just love this. So this still has the 24 karat gold plated gold. This is in, I would say, I mean, I think it's in good condition, but Japan, where I got this from. It's a place called Zenlux. They are a marketplace and they sell luxury handbags, Chanel, Hermes, Louis Vuitton. They also sell jewelry like Bulgari and Van Cleef. And this piece I got for such an amazing deal. Now, I have worked with Zenlux and I am promoting them also in this video, but just because I'm promoting them, I also share with many other different luxury resale brands, because you guys know I share luxury fashion on my channel, and Zenlux has been around a long time. One of the special things about them, and I'll speak more towards the end, but they offer 30-day returns. Most luxury resale websites you can't return. So that's number one. The second thing is authenticity, because it's Japan and they have the strict laws. They also have entropy. So entropy, they give you a certificate. Almost every reputable resale platform uses entropy to verify the authenticity. Apart from the 30-day return period, they also offer free shipping, which it's kind of crazy because when you're spending, you know, thousands of dollars on a bag, it's just a biggest pet peeve that you have to pay for shipping for almost every single one of these luxury resale websites. So I love that they do offer free shipping, 30-day returns. They do have English speaking support. They gave me a code for 5,000 Japanese yen off your order. So if you use the code ZenVanilla26, I'm going to put it on the screen. I'm going to put it on the description box. Let's go back to the top bags. So this bag is so damn cute. I love, let me show you. So I think my favorite way to wear this is just on one shoulder like that. So cute. I can't believe this bag is 40 years old. I just love it. Of course, you can wear it the traditional backpack way. Let me show you how it looks on the back. Such a great summer piece. And if backpacks are not your style, wearing them the traditional way, I like just putting it kind of like on the crook of your arm like that. Super chic. And again, I just love this. They also have ones, now if you like that whole Matthew Blazy style without the quilting, they have the vintage bags with no quilting, which I think look really cute. And I'm going to link down to a bunch of them. Zenlux, they have a lot of these in different conditions, right? This one was less expensive because it was considered like not as brand new condition. But it's a 40-year-old bag. How brand new can a 40-year-old bag be? But it's crazy how pristine some of these vintage bags are. But I love this. I'm gonna get a lot of use of it because I'm definitely a backpack girl. So backpacks, that is the second one. The third one, the best bag to buy right now, Preloved. Look at all these mini rectangular classic flaps. Now the mini rectangular flap, classic flap, let's go back to 2021 and the height of it in 2022. It was crazy, the price of these bags, because I remember in 2016 when these bags were retailing for $3,000. And then in 2021, 2022, some of these bags were more than 15, 16,000, especially in coveted colors like baby pinks, especially in those light baby pink colors, other coveted colors, baby blues, Tiffany blues, off-white colors. And now, as you can see, you can get these bags for $2,000–3,000 US on Zenlux, on a lot of different luxury reseller companies. I'm going to link to a lot of the Zenlux items because they do have very competitive pricing. The other reason why a lot of these Japanese companies have better pricing, they also want to compete with the whole customs and duties, and they know that you're going to have to, when it's imported into the US or Canada or wherever you live in Europe, it's going to have customs and duties fees. So they're trying to kind of balance that because they know people don't really, you know, want to pay the price they're seeing plus an extra, let's say $400 or $500 for duties and customs. So they've lowered their prices even more so that your duties and customs kind of level out the playing field, versus if you were to buy from a Preloved website, let's say like Fashion File that's based in the US, or a Canadian one such as Oliver's Jewelers that's based in Toronto, Canada. So they've kept that in mind to be super competitive with their pricing. Bag number 4. Bag number 4 is the Diana bag. I love this. Now this kind of goes hand in hand with the vintage bags and also the non-quilting, because the Diana bag has this beautiful border around the bag. I have always loved this bag in a red. I just feel like red and white for 2026 is going to be so big. I just think it's such a beautiful piece. I love the shape of this bag, and you can get some of the most amazing deals right now on this bag. It looks so pretty in the white. And I'm going to do a little bonus bag before I share with you the 5th bag, and that is black bags. Now normally a black classic flap, a black bag, any black Chanel bag, the price of that is going to be usually infinitely higher than a random color, right? Like a bright green or a yellow. But for some reason, the prices of black Chanel bags have considerably lowered. So if you do want a black classic Chanel flap, or you know, if you really love the boy bag, because you know, I just showed the boy bag, no hate on my boy bag, because I actually love my Chanel boy bag. I haven't worn the jumbo, to be honest, in forever and ever. So that bag, you know, I'm waiting for it to have its time again, and then I will sell it. And you know, if any of you guys want any of those bags, hit me up. I will sell it to you. I am based in Toronto, Canada, if you want to avoid customs and duties fees. But you know, if you want to get a black bag and you've never gotten one, now's a really good time to get one. Now, the last bag, don't sleep on this. Now, Matthew Blazy, I've been told he's going to continue to push this no logo look for Chanel. Chanel and the big CCs right now for the next year, for 2027, 2028, it's gonna be not a lot of logos. So a bag that's gonna be super hot going into the next year in 2027 is the Reissue bag. And right now, the prices of some of these Reissue bags, it's wild, like so super inexpensive. And they're such a chic bag, super chic. He's going to be pushing the reissues a lot, and I think it's a great time to buy a reissue. I've always loved them. I feel like the chain strap on those is like jewelry. It's so stunning. So that's another piece, and I hope you guys like the eye candy. I hope you like the unboxing and this short little video. Now, I want to know, what other sit-down videos do you guys like? Because I used to do sit-down videos. Maybe this is the first one you're watching because you found me through Street Style. Trust me, street style is my thing. There's gonna be a new street style coming up. I'll be heading to New York City and getting all of the most amazing spring fashion from New York. But what sit down videos do you want to know about regarding fashion? Do you want to know spring trends? Do you want to know more about Hermes bags, Chanel bags? Because I do make a joke that like I'm kind of autistic. I just, for some reason, it's easy for me to retain information on like Hermes colors and Hermes bags and things to do with luxury. I don't know what it is, but I love sharing knowledge, and I love speaking about fashion. So if there is something you guys want to know in particular, let me know, because I want to film more sit down videos for you guys. And I love you. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, I do have that code for Zenlux. It's ZenVanilla26, and that's going to get you 5,000 yen off your purchase. And I will leave everything linked down in the description box. Love you guys. Bye. Like